In this video we are going to look at setting up Open Badges reports in Power BI. First you need to select data from the upper left side of the toolbar. After that you need to make sure to select Web Data. Select Advanced from the two options. Paste in the Open Badges API URL. Now you need to pass the API key and token. These can be found on your OpenBadges.me account. When entering the bearer token, make sure to type the word bearer before and a space before entering the token. This is not needed for the API key. Select OK. Once you have filled the information out, this will then give you a data sheet back. Press Close and Apply, and the data will be fed into Power BI. Now you are ready to start building dashboard. Use the data on the side column to drop data into the relevant axis. For example, we are using date issued and count ID in this example. Use different data parameters to produce different reports. Here is another example with badge name over count ID. All data filtering is interactive, so isolating a month of one report highlights relevant data on another. As you have built the API link, whenever you press refresh, the data will be renewed. Now you can save reports, reopen the report, press refresh, and receive an up-to-date version of your report. You can build new reports from your dataset, save them and return to refresh all your reporting data. Using the API connection with Power BI makes reporting data you need from OpenBadges.me very simple.